Hey, what's up people, Bryan here from Napster Films. So I'm going to show you how to make a transparent phone and how to edit using Davinci Resolve 16. So let's get on to it. You have to get yourself this glass. So I had this glass cut out like a real phone, so but it doesn't have the round corners like a phone does, but we'll just work with it this way. Alright guys, we are already inside Davinci Resolve 16. Now I have my clips here. I have my clip here. This is the clip that I want to use. Now I want to use this clip, drop it down here. Now I haven't stabilized this clip, it's a little bit shaky, so I'm going to stabilize it now. So under the color tab, I'm going to go under this tracker. I'm going to drop this menu, stabilize, and wait for it to stabilize the clip so that we remove the shaky part, so that we can track this thing in a manner that we will want to. So I go back to the edit tab. Now I've noticed some few things. Please don't drag your screen recorder and merge it as one fusion clip to this one, because I've noticed that it won't work. So then you create the new fusion clip. Now select the clip and then we go to the fusion tab. Now the fusion tab, it sometimes looks intimidating, but don't worry about this. Now this is the media in, so I'm going to press F2. I'm going to call this glass phone, glass phone plate. So we have our node there, and right away I'm going to select it and hit shift and space, and then I'm going to add a planar tracker. So under the planar tracker, let me just close the inspector for a little bit and activate one viewer. Under point, I'm going to select hybrid point area, and under motion type, I'm going to select TRS here, and then I'm going to go to the end of my clip, which is there, and I'm going to now zoom in. I'm holding control and using the scroll wheel, so I'm going to click over there to set my tracking points. These are the points that we are going to track, so that we can replace this with our phone. I don't know what kind of a phone this will be. I don't know. Now close it out like that. Now make sure your tracking points are set correctly. Okay, now so I'm going to set this as my last tracking point, and then I like to track frame by frame. So I'm going to use this one to track step by step. So I'm going to start tracking. It's working fine. So I'm gonna do this fast so that you guys don't spend time looking at me doing my keyframes. And there we have it, guys, fully tracked. So now I'm not going to do anything about this. I'm going to leave it like this for the time being. Now I'm going to pipe this in here so that we can have the media out, and I'm going to activate the second viewer and the media pool. So right in the media pool, I'm going to drop this clip, the second one. So in the first viewer, I have my clip here. Now this is the clip that we're going to replace in here. Now to do this, I can just drag. I'm just going to select the planar tracker and set this to corner pin. Now you have to make sure it's that foreground over background in the merge mode. So let me just close the media pool and remain with this one. So I'm going to place these points over here like so, like so. So keep in mind that every single thing that we did, let me just use one viewer and show you guys everything that we did, everything that we were tracking a while ago is going to be replaced in here. So all that tracking data, this tracking data, the one that is white in here, is going to change and become this. So now I'm going to bring in my media in. So, and right away you see, boom, we have our phone now. But I won't be celebrating about this because it's not transparent yet. It's not transparent yet because we can see it has the white background. So now I'm going to select the media in, and I'm going to hold shift and key, and I'm going to type in Luma key. So once I have my Luma key, you see it has already overlaid, but we can't see anything. So right away I'm going to drag the low towards the end here. Now notice I'm going to raise the gamma and I'm going to raise the expand, but now we can't see anything, so I'm going to invert this. So after I invert it, you see we have our transparent phone, but notice that anyone can just know that this was just an overlay. We need to do something here to change this. So I'm going to double click to separate. I'm going to bring a merge node in here and I'm going to connect it out here. Now I'm going to bring another footage from this place and I'm going to bring this data in here, and under the merge node I'm going to change this to in. So you notice now it has already changed all the data. It's like we are using the phone now. So if I play this, you won't know, you won't tell that this is just, and under just few nodes we have already created whatever we wanted to create. Now I'm going back to the edit tab so that now I can add the audio. I'm going to bring this voice below here. So right away you find that we have already created our phone. Now I'm going to hit Ctrl and B to cut, and I'm going to select everything that is over here, and I'm going to, so right away that is how you create a transparent font, guys. That is how you overlay the screen. Let me wait for it to load so that we can see what we have created here. So you can just tell, yeah, the transparency. Now let's just play this. So that's it, guys. This is how you overlay a transparent phone. Now if you want to see more of how you can do this when you're using your phone, I'm going to be creating that some time later, but that is going to be using masking and all that stuff. So I wanted to have this quick tutorial to teach you how to do this. So, and that's it, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm new here and this is my first tutorial, and see you next time. I'm going to be creating a lot of tutorials. I'm going to teach you how to use Davinci Resolve. So see you next time.